doing? I am in such a good mood. I just opened such a good box and I have another great one to open right now. So yeah, today we are opening up the Test Tube Beauty for July/August. So this is a bi-monthly box. That's why I say both months. So you get it every other month. And this is honestly, well, it's only my second time getting it, but it is what I consider to be like the best skincare box. So it always comes in this adorable test tube, which is so cute. Like in this month, I think I love it even more than the last. There's like people on the beach, like cute girl in sunglasses. And last time I filmed this video, the first one I got, you guys gave me great ideas on how to reuse this. I use it to dry my brushes and to store some like backup brushes. So that is awesome. If you guys have any other ideas, share them with us all down below. Super excited. But yeah, this box is pretty affordable too, and you get such good value. So it's filled mostly with skincare. I think there were some makeup items. Again, this is only my second one, so we'll have to see what we get. I have no idea. I have not looked at spoilers, not watched any videos. And I think everyone got their boxes yesterday or starting to get them this week. So yeah, so pumped. It is like $29.99, but you also pay for shipping. So it's not too bad. The fact that it's every other month I really enjoy, especially since it takes some time to use up these products. So it comes with this, and there's one item that was outside of the box. Like this all came inside of a brown box, a cardboard box, brown. And then there's this little handout. Why am I calling it that? I don't know. What do you call these? Like I always call it like a pamphlet or something, but like a little magazine with all the information. And I love how they put this together. So like for when they talk about the items, they'll like say what it is, how to use it, their editor's tip, the key ingredients, and then expert insight. So I love that. Like, especially if they talk about the ingredients and why they're good, and they just give all the information you need. It's so useful. So I kept this around last time. Yeah, so let's see if there's like any intro. Oh, so it says, happy summer. The temperatures are hot and so is our July tube. Whether your goal is to lengthen your lashes, smooth under eye bags, or brighten your skin, or all of the above, who are we kidding? We've got effective solutions that really deliver their claims. And then it goes on, so I think it talks about the products inside, so I'm not going to read the rest of it, but I will leave this nearby to reference. How about we start off with the item that came outside of the tube? So this is by Sanitas. I'm probably saying it wrong. Someone will correct me. I've never heard of this brand before, so that's exciting. This is brightening peel pads, at home peeling treatment. And there's 50 pads in here, and they are supposed to brighten. The key ingredients are glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. And then it talks about what they do, which I think is super nice, especially for beginners at skincare or just people who would like to learn more information or know what they're putting on their face. So glycolic acid is a natural exfoliator that brightens, stimulates skin renewal, and counteracts intrinsic and extrinsic aging factors. Lactic acid is a mild alpha hydroxy acid, so AHA, that exfoliates, brightens, and helps improve skin tone and texture. And salicylic acid stimulates skin cell removal and helps unclog pores, so it's great for acne-prone skin. I use it. And it says skin type, and it gives pretty much everything: dry, normal, combination, or oily. So this is for all skin types, right? That includes everyone, I would say. And you can use it both nighttime and morning. I love how they give the symbols for the skin tone. Is that focusing? Can't tell if it's focusing. I'm sorry if it's not. Awesome. It says cruelty-free on here. To be honest, I'm not sure if all the items are or not, so we'll learn. I recently decided to become fully cruelty-free, so any new things I get that aren't cruelty-free, I give away. But this says right on there, not tested on animals, so we'll have to see what this box, like if it's mostly cruelty-free or not. Hopefully mostly or all. So it comes in this. I'm super excited. I used to have pad, I can't remember what they're by, but I love stuff like this. I just find I'm way more likely to use it when it's like so user-friendly like a pad. So directions: apply to face, neck, and décolleté. Allow solution to dry completely. Do not rinse. Follow with treatment and moisturizer. So this will be like my toner, I think. It's like a professional strength corrective treatment that utilizes a triple action blend to brighten, tone, and reveal clear skin. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this like after I wash my face. I'll use this like as a toner because right now I don't really have any, and then I'll apply my serum and my oil and moisturizer and all that. I have a pretty extensive skincare routine, which I've been asked to do a video on, an updated one. I will do that soon, hopefully. I have so many other videos to do already, but it's coming, okay? I'm sorry, if I'm a little rambly today, I'm just in such a good mood. So let's see what it says. Whoa! This is $74 and this is a full-size item. So this doubles the price of the box. So let's just say, like, I think with shipping is like around $35. I don't know. That is crazy. So what it is, a professional strength corrective treatment with active acids to eliminate excess oil, exfoliate, and even skin tone. Each jar with 50 convenient cleansing pads. It comes pre-prepped. So it has the right amount of product and application is foolproof. So it says use one morning or night. So I think just once a day. You can use it both maybe. Oh wow, there's a tip that says I always run a pad on the backs of my hand after I've applied it to my face. It's the easiest way to get ahead of dark spots and rough skin in an often neglected area. That's interesting. I was just thinking about that the other day. I'm like, I need to take better care of my hands because I don't want to start looking I want to start looking my age. Okay, but I'll move on to the next product. I'm super excited to try these. So now into the tube. And that's what it looks like inside. There's something that's like in here. Let's look at this. Contours RX, Lids by Design, Transforming Appearances. This is medical grade instant eyelid correcting strips. What is this? I've never tried something like this. So this is medical grade, hypoallergenic, latex free. It says Lids by Design works instantly to improve the appearance of the eyelids, lifting and correcting, taking years off your appearance. I have those like droopy eyes. That would be so amazing. So this is the packaging. There's other things. What is this? Oh, there's like little tweezers. I wonder if this helps you apply them. And there's like a little card that just says Lids by Design. And then there it says enter code NB25 for 25% off your order. If anyone is interested, you can hit pause or just leave a comment down below. I'll always give you guys that information. So this kit is $29.95. It says what it is, an eyelid correcting strip that recontours the look of heavy hooded eyes in seconds. I'm so excited to try this, you guys. It says how to use. Using needle nose tweezers, place the Lids by Design on your natural eyelid folds to support excess skin and create a more youthful and bright appearance. Sweet, you just leave it on all day? I don't want to open it and get it like messed up. There's 20 of them in there, that's awesome. It says this is such an easy way to brighten up the eye area. The best part is the strip is completely hidden and doesn't prevent me from putting on my usual eye makeup. I'm so intrigued. Has anyone tried anything like this before? It says that you can't see it. Should I do a video on this, you guys? Let me know if you want to do a video, or me to do a video on trying these and like a wear test or anything like that. Like, it's so different. I've never seen anything like it. I'm totally willing to do that. So let me know. If you're not interested, I won't. Let me know if you are. That is so cool to me. I've never heard of anything like that. You wear it with your makeup. I thought it was like going to be something like you leave on for 20 minutes or whatever. I don't know. But we'll see. Let's move on to the next item. So I'm like so into everything so far. The Skin Active Scientific Ageless Collagen Serum. It says vegan. It says apply to clean skin on the face and neck once or twice daily. It's the vegan version of their best-selling wrinkle tone and texture improving treatment. It's cruelty-free, made in Arizona. I'm guessing this is like a deluxe size, but maybe not because it's a serum. Oh yeah, it's a serum. It's a pump. It's not a spray. This is 1 ounce or 30 mLs. This is like a standard size for a serum, I think. Oh, it's right here. So this is $20. It says the vegan formula does everything that minimizes the appearance of wrinkles to even out skin tone. Patent to clean, dry skin morning and night. Avoid rubbing or smoothing into the skin. This can lead to the formation of fine lines. They said storing this product in the fridge provides a great cooling effect that mitigates puffiness. Oh, that's good to know. So this do-it-all formula boasts sea kelp, bioferment for skin nourishment, hyaluronic acid for extreme moisture, epidermal growth factor for structural support, and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, aka a stable form of vitamin C for reducing discoloration. This sounds awesome. I love that so far things are cruelty-free and stuff. So, yeah, definitely could use some of this in my life. So awesome. Yeah, sunscreen for the face. Okay, I have a confession. I'm not that good about putting it on every day because I don't really leave my house that much, but I want to get into the habit just in case I one day get social and like walk outside. So I'm so glad to get this because all of the like sunscreens I have are more like face and body. So this is SPF 30 Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion for the face. So hopefully this works out well. You know, it's mineral sunscreen too, which I'm trying. I don't want to use chemical, so that I'm happy with that. And it says this is free of active chemical sunscreens. Yes, broad spectrum UVA UVB protection. water-resistant formula, and it's designed in California. It's cruelty-free, non-GMO, non-gluten-free, TSA-approved size. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And it says it should not be whitening, so that's good because I know like a lot of sunscreens give a white cast. I'm really excited to try this. So here's the outer packaging. Let's see what it really looks like. Okay, so the inside looks just like the outside, which is awesome because it's super cute. So let's learn more about this. This is $14.99. It seems like pretty much every item does have a promo code, so just, I've said this too many times probably, but I just want to let you guys know I'm here to help you out with it if you want one. So the Bare Republic's lightweight mineral SPF 30 defends against UV damage and is loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers to help nourish and protect your skin. Just apply a dime-sized amount of products after your favorite serums and moisturizers in the morning and 15 minutes prior to sun exposure. So I had a question in the past about like when to apply sunscreen. You should do it as the last step of your skincare, so after your moisturizer and before your makeup. So yeah, exciting. There's still several things in here. What is this? This is by New Lash Enhancing Serum. I need some lash enhancement. So this is by Skin Research Laboratories. Let's see, what is this all about? This advanced formula contains bioengineered polypeptides, essential proteins, vitamins, and conditioning ingredients that encourage shiny, luxurious, longer looking lashes. I almost said longer acting, I don't know why. It helps short, brittle, thin, or sparse looking lashes achieve visible results. I can't speak right now, I'm like too excited. I have exactly that. So, let's see. Does it say anything about its status? That's what it looks like. Let's learn about it. Where to buy? Starting at $95. This box is so expensive because this is a full size. Like, so it's a powerful once-a-day serum with peptides that strengthens lashes and delivers nutrients in the blink of an eye. How to use: apply each night before bed to the upper lash line for fringe so fantastic friends will want to know your secret. Once you start to notice improvement, switch to every other day application. I'm so excited, and this is almost $100. This box is crazy. I am like having the best day with boxes so far. So the blend of fortifying polypeptides and hair-loving biotin nourish eyelashes and prevent future damage. Sodium hyaluronate heightens hydration and helps boost shine. So, yay! So the next thing is by Caminix Essential Collections, the Genucil Plant Stem Cell Therapy for Bags and Puffiness. Puffiness under my eyes is like one of my biggest problems. Even when I sleep, it's so bad. Directions: apply under and around the eyes twice daily. Wow, this might have to be my next eye cream. Do you use eye cream with it? Let's see. It's a good size. Because eye cream, you don't need much at all. You guys, this is $89 freaking dollars. And this is definitely like a full size. $89, that's crazy. So this is a powerful treatment for under eye bags, puffiness, and fine lines. After thoroughly cleansing your face, gently massage the product into the skin underneath and around the eyes in a circular motion. Apply morning and night for best results. A little goes a long way. I dab a small amount under my eyes after late nights out and it does a trick to make me look wide awake. This is an anti-aging serum made out of rare Swiss apple to promote the appearance of youthful skin, Essocerol to draw out moisture under the eyes that causes bags and puffiness, green tea leaf extract, and goji berry to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Wow, this is crazy. So it's like an eye serum, so I think I might use this and use my eye cream after. I'm so excited, you guys. This is like the best box. I have like so much skincare, but I'm feeling like it's adding things I don't already use. Like, not, it wouldn't be like really replacing things. Like, these are things that I'm like adding to my routine or whole, you know, that it just, I'm so excited. Ooh, Daily Concepts. I have several of their things. Like, they usually like make those like scrubbers and like facial stuff. Multifunctional soap sponge charcoal. So here's another one of their like sponges. Whoa, this feels cool. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. Gentle, so this is mild, so it's supposed to exfoliate, detox, and balance. It's for all skin types. I've never seen this by them. It says simply wet and lather, cleanse skin in circular motions. Cool. Let's see if it says more about this. This is $8. You can get this at Ulta. Says this 2-in-1 soap sponge infused with charcoal cleanses and smooths the skin in a single swipe to save you time. Wet the sponge with warm water and scrub in a circular motion to gently remove the outer layer of skin. Because it exfoliates and polishes, I love using this sponge to resurface rougher areas of skin like my elbows and knees. Activated charcoal, the ingredient behind all of our favorite pore purging masks, detoxifies. Better yet, the textured sponge removes dead skin cells that can cause future acne, wiping out pimples before they pop up. Yes, I could use that. And it seems so easy to use, so I'm excited to try it out. And I think we just have 2 little things left. And this is really making its round in the subscription boxes, both of these. So this is by Invisibobble. This is the Bye Bye Kinks Traceless Hair Rings. It looks like there are 3 little ones in here. I don't mind getting them, but I feel like I've gotten a lot of Invisibobbles lately. We got some like FabFitFun and something else, right? I don't know. But these aren't black. I don't have the black ones. I have like clear, and then I have like multicolor or something. And then we have another one. I got this Invisibobble Waver in my Glossy box in June. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm totally fine having this. So these are listed together and it says $8. So this is just a bonus product. So these are $8. It says what it is, the most powerful yet gentle elastic on the planet. The unique spiral holds onto hair without knotting and works with all types of tresses. I've used them, they're fine. They're not like they didn't like become my all-time favorite, they work. So it says, as you would do any other hairband, but don't expect painful pulling or snagging. I think since I have such like thin hair and fine hair, like I don't really have like that like painful pulling and stuff. But that's great if that helps you. So cool. This was such a good box, you guys. Should I add up the total? I'm gonna add up the total. Let's see how much this costs. And my battery light is blinking, so good timing. Let me be quick. Well, I don't know why I say I'll be right back. I'm gonna edit out this 1 second. You guys, so I paid like 30-something bucks or around that, I don't know. And the total is $338.94. This is such good value and it's adding so much to my skincare collection. If that's even what I would call it. I guess it's a collection at this point. I'm so excited to try all of this. Do you guys get this box? Are you guys into skincare as much as I am? I'm like super excited. I can't wait to start trying all of this. I'm like really passionate about trying to like improve my skin and, you know, prevent aging and all of that stuff. So I can't wait to try this. Again, let me know if you want me to try this out in camera or talk about my experience at least. But yeah. I am very happy with this box. I love it and I have to wait 2 months to get the next one, but it's okay. I will use these products in the meantime. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much and I hope you're having a great one. I will see you in my next video. Bye.